the kantele making plans book also includes the Drone Kantele, which is a very large instrument. It's has amazing resonance. Every instrument I built has its own character. It's a very hard instrument to control. You have to control the resonance of it. But if you're interested in that sort of droney, sort of more, I guess, new age or mystical sound, or for solo playing or meditation, it has its own sort of ambience. And you could use it instead of a chord zither, for example. So again, the plans are included, cutting lists, stringing charts. There's some photographs and some close-ups of instruments I've built and links to some videos on YouTube. And it has the full-size plans for the sides and the front and the back. Now, this is a very large instrument, but you can build it as detailed or as close as you want. I would not recommend this as your first kantele. Try the 11-string or the 5-string first before building one of these, I would say, to orientate yourself properly.